Hello everyone, Matt Star Investing back again with another video. Happy Friday. Today is 26th of July and I want to cover today the three basic things that option buyers need to understand. So, why do people buy options and what is so attractive about them? So, firstly, they have a limited loss. You pay that upfront and you can technically make unlimited profit since a stock can rise to unlimited. So that sounds like a winning situation, but you have to know that there is one big catch, and you need to be aware about these things. So when you buy options, there's actually only 1/3 of a chance that you will make money. So if the market moves in your direction, either up or down, like you predicted, you will be making money. But if the market does not go in your way and goes the opposite way, you'll obviously lose money. And when the market does not move and stays stable, you will also lose money due to time decay. Okay, but there are ways where you can eliminate that, but not when you're buying a naked call option. And when you buy an option, you're not only predicting the direction of the stock, but you're also going long volatility. It means that you have to be correct on the direction, and on top of that, the volatility will also have to increase. It means if the volatility drops, then even if your prediction of the market direction was right, you'll end up losing money. And so to make profit, an option buyer has to be correct on three things: direction, volatility, and timing. Tell me now, what is the probability of getting all three right? Well, that's the thing. You need a high probability. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.